Foster Coburn from Graphics Unleashed, and thank you for watching this video. While you're here, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll know when we have future videos. I want to talk a little bit about the kit we're going to use to make videos going forward. Right now, we are only using my Samsung phone straight out of the box using the internal microphone and the flash on the phone itself. But I want to show you a kit. The first one I want to show you is a Saramonic video kit. It includes a few things. So let's look a little more closely at what we've got. It came with an audio smart mixer. Right now it is turned off, so let me go ahead and turn it on. And as we do this, we're going to zoom in a little closer, and you can see the bars bouncing back and forth as I talk. The smart mixer is connected to the frame we're using. I'll talk about the frame in a second, by this connection here. And it's a standard cold shoe that you can use on lots of different things. Coming out of the smart mixer, we have a cable. And this particular cable is labeled for an Android device. I'll show you in a minute. There's a couple of other cables that came with it for other things. On the side of the smart mixer, let me turn it around, you'll see there's a plug-in for a headphone jack. So if the person filming wants clean audio so they can hear it, they can plug in some headphones here. Now let's move over to the next thing, and this is an LED light bar. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light bar. You do that by pressing and holding the button for a couple seconds. And now let me turn it around, and sorry if this blinds you a little bit. It's a very, very bright light that runs on just a few batteries. Let me go ahead and turn that back off so you can see the difference in the light. And it's also connected by a similar connector as the smart mixer. As part of the Saramonic kit, there were also a few other things that came with it. There's a second audio cable. This one is for iOS phones. So if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you would use this. There's also an XLR connector. So if you want to connect an XLR mixing board or something, you've got this connector rather than the smaller cables for the microphone. And lastly, it came with this handle. So your phone would be put in here, and you would stack the light bar and the audio mixer on top of it. I didn't really like the fact that it came with just a single handle, so I wanted something else, and therefore I got this piece, which is from Ulanzi. It's just a video rig, as they call it. And so it's got two handles. I think it helps hold it a little more steady. And as we flip it around, you'll see there's a place here where you can put your phone. And there's an adjustment handle. So let me go ahead and loosen this, and you can see it raises up and down. So it fits most every phone. And then the camera person would hold it like this, and the phone would shoot toward you. Along with this, I got another product from Ulanzi. And that's this little button. It's a Bluetooth remote control. So this would allow me to start and stop the video on the phone. So if I needed to film myself, I could do it myself. Or if somebody was assisting me, they could put this on the handle, and it's going to snap right on there. Let me get it on there. Having a little more trouble than I thought. There we go. And so then it's right here by their thumb as they're filming, so it's a lot more convenient than having to reach over and push a button on the phone. So now that we've looked at all the pieces of the kit that we're going to use, we'll go ahead and put the phone in the kit, and we'll see how it improves the look of the video. Okay, now we've put the phone back into the rig that you've seen from Ulanzi, and we've got the Saramonic kit handling the audio and the light bar, and hopefully there's an improvement in the sound quality of the video as well as a little bit better lighting. We do have some lighting in the room to help out, but the light bar certainly helps, especially keeping my face illuminated, and that can happen anywhere we go with the kit. So if you need to make some videos for yourself, you might want to consider the Saramonic kit and the Ulanzi kit and remote control button. Thank you for watching the video. Remember, I'm Foster Coburn with Graphics Unleashed, and we'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the Graphics Unleashed channel so that you'll be notified when we release new videos. Thank you for watching our video. We'd appreciate it if you can like this video and subscribe to the Graphics Unleashed channel on YouTube. We'd also like you to consider following our other social channels. Thanks again, and we hope to see you soon.